Hello lovelies, welcome back. Watch how I shape this pasta at tonno that I garnished with oregano. Oregano has this flavor to pasta. So here's my boiling water. I added salt, I added pasta. So this pasta is 10 to 11 minutes. So here it is cooked. I cooked it for 9 minutes and I set aside. I added olive oil, onion. Now I will add in tomato puree. I added in pepper, salt. I give it a good mix and I will allow it to cook for 15 minutes on a low heat. So I added the pasta and now I'm going to stir properly. All my returning subscribers, I really appreciate your love and support. Thank you for the like, the comment, the share. May the good Lord bless you. So now I added 1.5 can of tonno. So I give it a good mix. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, join the family, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Feel free to check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. Share this video for me, guys. So here it is. I gave it a good mix and I steam it for 1 second. Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.